Hey everyone, welcome back to Brutal Reviews. Today we're looking at the Hisense A4 Series 40-inch FHD SmartFire TV 2025 model. Now, at first glance, this TV seems like a solid buy. Great picture quality, slim bezel design, Alexa built-in, and it streams your favorite apps pretty well. Many users actually like it for those reasons. It has over 1,400 plus reviews, and here's the punchline, almost 7% of people gave it 1 star and 2% gave it 2 stars. That's not tiny. Something's definitely off. So let's get into the major problems users are facing. Issue number 1. Sound quality. Terrible. Multiple users complained about the volume being all over the place. Sometimes it's too loud at a low setting, other times there's barely any sound. One reviewer said they had to crank it to 90 or 100 just to hear properly. And don't even think about relying on the built-in speakers for a decent audio experience. Issue number 2. Functionality. Minimal controls. Here's a head-scratcher. The TV basically has only a power button. Want to change the volume, switch inputs, or navigate menus? Good luck! You need the remote for everything, and even the power button barely works as intended. The manual doesn't help. It's 2025, and you still need a remote for basic TV operations. Ridiculous. Issue number 3. Lag and slow response. Turning on the TV, switching channels, or loading streaming apps takes forever. Some users reported waiting 20 minutes just to find a channel. Sometimes it doesn't even respond to button presses, and the lag makes you wonder if the TV is frozen or worse, broken. Issue number 4. Random glitches. This TV loves to surprise you by refusing to power on, dropping sound randomly, or freezing in the middle of a movie. One reviewer even had to unplug it just to get it working again. It's like Russian roulette every time you turn it on. Issue number 5. Wi-Fi and streaming issues. Despite being a smart TV, it randomly refuses to connect to strong networks. Audio sync is off for live TV, and streaming can be choppy. One reviewer said live mainstream shows are basically unwatchable. For a smart TV, that's inexcusable. Issue number 6. User-unfriendly interface. Navigating the menus is confusing and not intuitive. Changing settings or accessing features is a headache. If you're used to Sony or Samsung, this feels like going back a decade. Issue number 7. Build quality and stability. Some units have issues with the stand or feet not staying put. One foot won't stay on properly, making the TV wobbly. Combine that with the glitches and poor sound, and you're looking at a stressful experience. Verdict. So here's the brutal truth. The Hisense A4 Series looks good and streams decently, but the sound, lag, glitches, and basic usability issues make it a risky buy. Only buy this if you really don't care about functionality and just want a cheap-looking screen on your wall. Check the buy link in the description if you're still feeling brave, but honestly, I wouldn't touch this TV if I were you.